Hey guys, it's Jesse. Today I'm going to show you how to build these 5 random small builds. These are really fun and easy to build. One of them has been requested for some time now. It's the classic VCR TV combo. I think it's the 3rd build here on the video, but shout out to you if you're old enough to remember those little TVs, or if you're old enough to even remember VHS tapes. I actually own one of those TVs in real life. I never use it, but it is cool to have. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok @BrickDesign for more tutorials, and as always, smash that like button for me and subscribe if you haven't already.